release was inspired by the thrill of adventure and the beauty of the great outdoors. Our goal was simple: to bring the essence of exploration to crafting. By pairing vibrant coloured cardstocks with beautifully designed die sets, we aim to inspire crafters to embark on creative journeys. Whether they're reliving their past adventures or drawing inspiration from the world around them.
Hello there everyone, and welcome to the August 2024 full release video. So first up we have the very pretty Craft Your Life Project Kit Chocolate Flowers. This is so cool. So in the 6x8 stamp sets we have two fabulous background stamps which can be extended, and we also have some sentiments. Inside the packaging, as always, we have the layering guide and also a little bit of inspiration in there as well. On this one, we do have a zero waste die. You can see the beautiful florals you're going to be able to create with this one, and we also have some fabulous branches in there too. If you want to add some colour to those florals, we also have this stencil set which is going to allow you to do that. Otherwise, you can also use this as a full background. It's up to you how you want to use it. To finish off the kit, we also have a 3D embossing folder. You can see that this is fabulous. It looks like a bar of chocolate that you can just kind of snap apart. Now, all of these products work perfectly together, and we can't wait to see what you come up with. Next up, we have our Build a Garden, and this is the lovely Rose Peony. In here, we have a large peony cluster, as well as a vase, and some different sentiments in here as well. Within the packaging, you're going to be able to see how the stencil works with the stamp set, so you can easily and quickly put these together. As well as the stamp set, which is a 6x8, we also have a simple colouring stencil set. In here you can see that we have 4 different stencils, all of which are 6x6, which are going to colour in the various parts of the images that we have on the stamp set. As well as that, we also have a mini blending tool. Also, if you wanted to, we also have an add-on die set which is going to cut around all of the images on the stamp set as well as most of the sentiments. Next up we have our Crafter Flower Dahlia April Heather die set. A long name, but it is a very, very pretty flower. In here we have 2 different blooms which have various different layers, and we also have a number of different leaves as well. On the back of the packaging we do have the layering guide, and this is going to help you pop those images that you have together. We also have the keyhole system on this one, so that's really going to help you out when placing these together. Next up we have Dynamic Duo Whispering Meadow. This is so cool. So first up in the Dynamic Duo we have 2 6x6 stencils. In this one it's going to create a beautiful oval background for you to use on all of your different projects. This will enable you to create clean and simple cards in a breeze. Within the packaging you can see that we do have the layering guide for the stencil set. Also, it shows you where you can add in the added details from the stamp set. The stamp set is 3x4. We have the details for the flowers as well as some sentiments in there as well. If you don't like fussy cutting, we also have the coordinating die available, and that's going to cut around all of the flowers and also the oval design that you can create really quickly and easily. Next up we have our Mini Delight Watering Daisy. So in this 3x4 stamp set you can see that we have a beautiful daisy design with a number of different layers that you can add in there, as well as some sentiments. As well as that, we also have this very cute little watering can design as well. So you can use these together, you can use them separately. This is so fun to play around with. Next up we have Bloom and Evolve. Now this was created in collaboration with Mommy Lay. In here we have some really cute little designs as well as some handwritten sentiments. Within the packaging you can see that we do have some inspiration in there to kind of help you get started with this stamp set, but I'm sure you're going to have so much fun with it. If you have trouble kind of coming up with heartfelt sentiments, this may be the stamp set for you. This is the Tranquil Greetings. In here we have a number of different sentiments in a beautiful mixed font. You can use these on all of your different projects. You can use them on the outside of cards as well as the insides as well. Really great one to add to your stash. As well as that, we also have the coordinating die set available, and that's going to cut around all of the sentiments that we have in the stamp set really quickly and easily. Really great to have both of these to create batch sentiments really quickly and easily. Next up we have World in Bloom layering die set. In here you can see that we have numerous different elements which are going to allow you to create this beautiful little atlas globe, as well as some flowers to adorn it as well. You can see within the packaging that you've got lots of little dies there to create some beautiful effects. And on the back of the packaging we also have the layering guide for the atlas globe, and as well as the layered flowers. Really cute one. We're sure you're going to have so much fun creating with this one. Next up we have Mushroom Cottage layering die set. These are so cute. You can see that you have a ton of dies in this one to create 3 beautiful little mushroom houses, as well as some little rocks to kind of decorate around the bottom of the houses, and some branches too. On this one we do have the layering guide on the back, so you can see which of the little elements are going to go together to create these little cottages. Now if you don't want them to be exact, you can definitely mix and match around with the doors and the windows to create many different looks. Next up we have Capture Memories layering die set. This is so cool. So we have this beautiful vintage camera design, as well as a kind of strip of film. This one does have the keyhole system, so this is going to enable you to put these together really quickly and easily. To help you out on that as well, we also have a layering guide on the back, so you're not going to have any trouble in putting this together. We also have Picture Perfect die set. This is fabulous. We have another kind of film, strip film there, which is great for cards and also for adding in some little photos to scrapbook layouts. We also have 2 different sentiments in there, which say smile and Picture Perfect, with the shadow to accompany them as well. Next up we have a cute camper layering die set. This is ever so sweet. So in here you can see that we have various different elements which are going to layer up to create a little cute camper or trailer or caravan, whatever you would like to call it. On the back we do have the layering guide for these, which is really easy to use, so you can easily pop this together and then add this fun little camper to all of your projects. Next up we have Whimsical Flower Vine. Now this is so cool. You can see the elements that you have on the top, which you're going to cut out, but these are going to enable you to create 2 different designs. So the vine you're going to use for both of the designs, but then you're going to choose which flowers that you want to use. On the back it'll show you how to use them. You can either use the kind of tulip flowers. Also we do have some very cool whimsical looking daisies too. Next up we have Piped Waffle. Now this is a beautiful whimsical little border strip that you can add to lots of your projects. You can also cut this multiple times and use them next to each other to create a bigger piece. Next up we have Blooming Floral Swag press plate. This is so beautiful. So we have this really cute little floral cluster, as well as 3 solid sentiments. This works perfectly with the better press to create beautiful letterpress designs. Next up we have Waterfall Scene layering stencil set. Now this stencil set has 5 different stencils in here, all of which are 6x6, and this is going to enable you to create a beautiful waterfall scene. So it has beautiful kind of rock details in here, as well as different kind of bushes that you can add in to add details. Within the packaging you can see that we do have the layering guide, so this is going to show you how you can pop this together to create that beautiful scene. Next up we have Traveler's Atlas 3D embossing folder. This is beautiful. So this is a 6x6 embossing folder, and you can see that we have the whole atlas on there, which is going to enable you to add this to kind of different projects with a beautiful textured feel. This would be great for all different kind of projects, as well as scrapbooking and journaling. We are also transitioning 4 different colour families into our fresh ink. We have the Deep Blue Seas, we have the Cherry Blossom, the Fall Harvest, and also the Tropical Forest. Now in the Deep Blue Seas we have the Sea Breeze, the Turquoise, the Tide Blue, and also the Starlight. In the Cherry Blossom, we have the Pink Diamond, Pinkalicious, Rubelite, and Razzleberry. In the Fall Harvest, we have Butternut, Pumpkin Pie, Yellow Ochre, and also the Sicilian Amber. And then in the Tropical Forest, we have Bamboo, Parrot, Olive, and Moss. We also have the re-inkers and also the mini cubes available too. We are also adding in some new colours of Gem Sparkles. First up, we have the Sicilian Amber, and you can see just the beautiful tones that we have there, very natural and beautiful. We also have the Nebula. In here we have a beautiful green, a blue, and also a purple. And then last but not least, we have the Emerald City. So lots of different green shades in there to play with. Here is just a quick look at some of our DT samples as well as the guest designers. Aren't they beautiful? Now, all of these were created with some of the products from the release. We really do hope that this inspires you and makes you want to create something beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and we'll see you again really, really soon. Bye-bye. Hey there, Lydia here. I really do hope that you've just enjoyed the video. If so, please subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, turn on the notification bell so you can get your daily dose of crafty techniques and tutorials just like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.